Which term refers to the process of a gas escaping through a tiny opening? The correct answer is C, effusion. And the difference between effusion and diffusion is that diffusion is the broader mixing of gas particles due to their random motion. Which term is the measure of average kinetic energy of the particles in a sample of matter? The correct answer is C, temperature. Which tool is used to measure a gas pressure in a closed system? The correct answer is D, manometer. Which of the following is an intramolecular force? The correct answer is C, covalent bond. And all the remaining choices are intermolecular forces. Which are weak forces that result from temporary shifts in the density of electrons in electron clouds? The correct answer is C, dispersion forces, also called London dispersion forces. What are attractions between oppositely charged regions of polar molecules called? The correct answer is D. Which term refers to the measure of the resistance of a liquid to flow? Of course, the answer is C, viscosity. Which term refers to compounds that lower the surface tension of water? The correct answer is C. Which of the following is not true? The correct answer is D. Which of the following is not an exothermic process? The correct answer is C, sublimation, because it's an endothermic process. What is the term for the process by which a substance changes from a gas to a solid without the first becoming a liquid? The correct answer is C, deposition. Which phase changes require energy? The correct answer is C, melting, vaporization, and sublimation, because they are endergonic.